Jeez. You want to say
You gonna hit it one more time? We do it again? Huh? Do it again? You do it again? Is that Elmo?
Come on, Jesse, hit his foot again.
Okay, you hit it one more time. Come on, one more time. Let's do one more time. Okay, go hit his foot for mommy. Huh? Go hit his foot one more time for mommy. Go ahead. Go ahead.